Hello friends, welcome to Idli Indulgence. In this channel, we explore the delicious world of South Indian dish called idlis. We have an interesting breakfast twist recipe today. Let's go. Today we are going to explore Omelette Idli. For that I have idli batter, chopped red onions, chopped green chillies, 1 egg and salt. You can also add other seasonings like pepper powder, garam masala, depending on the taste. Let's go ahead and mix them together. I mix it thoroughly. It's time to cook. Here I have the cooking spray, just a little bit, so that it's easy for us to get the idlis out.
"15 minutes later."
I can smell the egg from these. Let's take it out the mold and do the tasting. It almost smells like quiche, like a mild flavor of quiche. Let's see how it tastes. Definitely feels soft and airy, probably because of the eggs. I can definitely taste the green chili and onion. The egg flavor is very subtle, but it has definitely given a soft texture to the idlis. Overall, I really like it. It's soft and fluffy. It has a depth of flavor from the onions and green chilies. It's a nice protein-packed breakfast option. You folks try it at home as well and let me know how it came for you in the comment section below. If you like these kind of videos, please like, share and subscribe for more idli adventures. See you in the next videos. Take care.